Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one's about social media and specifically Facebook and the importance of replying to comments on one of your posts. This may seem tedious, it may even be hard, especially if you're understaffed and overworked. When you make a post and someone makes a comment on it, it's very easy just to let that go and think, wow, I've got a lot of other important things to do today. But it's really important. Now, we know common sense that it's important from a customer service type of thing, that it's important to answer the questions, right? To try and keep the conversation going so that we help the business. It's good customer service. But from a computer point of view, from a SEO point of view, it's important that you do this, because when you as a business are commenting on another comment, Facebook goes ahead and starts to proliferate that. It starts to spider out, where you may have even seen this yourself, where it says such and such of a user has commented, liked, or shared about something, right? So you have a chance as a business to reach friends of friends for no cost, anything more than you simply reply to their comment. Maybe you just want to say thank you if you can't think of another way to build any more business into it. But if they're asking you for a request, if they're asking you for some type of service, or do I do this, or how do I whatever, you really want to get in there and go ahead and make that proper reply. And if possible, you'd like to go ahead and do it in the public eye. So not a private message, if appropriate. Go ahead and make that in public. All right, I hope this helps with getting you more views, more people reached, more engagement on your social media. Go ahead and reply to those posts, reply to those comments. All right, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and sign up or ask us any questions. We'll do our best to answer those. Hope this helps.